Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to go over the structure of the triquetrum bones. The triquetrum bones are located in the wrist of each hand. If we look more closely at the back or dorsal view of the right hand, we can see highlighted in red the triquetrum bone amongst the other wrist bones. If we look at the palmar view, we can again see highlighted in red the triquetrum bone. What about the landmarks of the triquetrum bone? Here we have the anterior view, also known as the palmar view, and the posterior view, also known as the dorsal view, of the right triquetrum bone. The triquetrum bone is pyramid-like in shape and has 5 surfaces. The first of these surfaces is the lateral surface, which forms the base of the pyramid-shaped bone. This surface has a facet on it for articulation with the lunate bone. The second surface is the medial surface, which forms the summit or top of the pyramid-shaped bone. The third surface is the palmar surface, also known as the volar surface. This surface has a facet on it for articulation with the pisiform bone. The fourth surface is the inferior surface. This surface has a concave surface for articulation with the hamate bone. The fifth and final surface is the superior surface. This surface has a rough area where no articulation takes place and a convex portion for articulation with the triangular articular disc of the wrist. What about the other bones each triquetrum bone articulates with? Each triquetrum bone articulates with 3 other bones. The first of these is the lunate bone. The facet on the lateral surface of the triquetrum articulates with the facet on the medial surface of the lunate bone. The second of these bones is the pisiform bone. The facet on the palmar surface of the triquetrum articulates with the facet on the dorsal surface of the pisiform bone. The third and final bone this bone articulates with is the hamate bone. The concave surface on the inferior surface of the triquetrum articulates with the facet on the medial surface of the hamate bone. And that concludes this video on the structure of the triquetrum bones.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.